What is this? Why is there an egg on my table? Hey guys, this is Austin, and welcome to a very peculiar episode of Mystery Tech. This is, what? Unprocess your food, a rapid egg cooker? What? You want me to cook an egg right now? This is really the way that Mystery Tech is gonna go today? Oh, it's the Prime Day special! The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. It's one-touch cooking in 360 watts. That's a lot of watts, my friends. How much was this on Prime Day? $12, a relative bargain. It seems very straightforward. We're literally looking at a power button. So I guess as long as you don't leave your eggs in too long, it's okay. Oh, this is a whole thing. I just thought I just put it in here and hit the button. I didn't realize I have to actually like do stuff. So I'm going to pour the water in. All right, that's not a crazy amount of water. Next step, I want to attach the boiling handle and drop it on top. The scary part is going to be poking a hole in the egg because I feel like I'm about to like break it. This is a bad idea. Is this really how you do this? Oh. Okay, I did it. This seems reasonable. I'm gonna spin it around so it looks a little bit nicer on camera. All right, well this is a really short cable, but I can fix that. What, is it on? Wait, I just plugged it in. That means it's on already? Wait, no, it's not supposed to be on yet. I didn't start my timer. Wait, okay, I'm gonna start a timer for 4 minutes. Look, I am not responsible for any injuries that may or may not occur due to the use of this egg cooker. But I mean, I think I did it right. There's water in it. There's a hole in the egg in case it explodes or whatever that does. There's steam. It feels very warm. Actually, it's super hot. Shouldn't have touched that. This seems very reasonable. I see no reason why in 3 minutes and 32 seconds, Ken will not enjoy a very soft boiled egg that has been, it's not poached, right? That's not what this is. That's a different thing. We are done. Now, should I open it? It should be okay, right? Yeah. Ooh, that's hot, okay. Ooh, that looks pretty boiled to me. Look, nothing caught on fire, and there's almost all our water was boiled off too. I think we actually got the right amount. Hey, look at that. It actually is boiled and not liquidy and goopy and making a mess. Whoa, what was that? The O-Polar laptop cooler. Oh, wow, okay. Wait, why? Okay, so this is going to be an external laptop cooler, because that always is a good idea. Step one, assemble the laptop cooler with the silicone shroud, then push the cooler toward the exhaust vent until the shroud completely covers it. That doesn't look suspicious or anything. Look, I don't know why they made it flesh colored, but we're just gonna move right past that. They got a great deal on some extra flesh colored materials. Okay, so I'm guessing that's gonna be it? This looks, no, there's no way this is not okay. Okay, so with our O-Polar laptop cooler ready, let's turn it on and see what happens. It's a fan. It's blowing air out this side and sucking it in from the laptop. The only problem with things like this is that, well, that's not how this works because there's already heat being exhausted. Putting a suction on one end is not going to help the fan spin any faster. It's just taking the hot air that's coming out of the laptop and making a noise and exhausting it out. So if you want to do this with your laptop all day, by all means, go waste money on Amazon like Ken did. But I think it's time to move to the next thing so I can let go of the flap. Oh my, why? You bought a TV. What is this even? The Toshiba Fire TV. Can I ask how much of our money you wasted on what I'm sure is going to be your new TV? Oh, 250, that's actually not too bad. So if you can't tell, our unboxing space not really meant for something that's this big. So the deal with this is it's actually going to have Fire TV built in. So not only do you have Alexa, but you're also going to be able to have access to Amazon Prime. This thing is so huge, dude. That's broken. Oh, wow, okay. So, oh look, there's even like condensation inside of it. That's not what you want to see on your brand new TV, even for 250 bucks. Man, that's pretty bad. Well, I gotta say, we've seen a lot of things on Mystery Tech, but this is gonna be a new one. I don't really think there's a whole lot I can do about this one. Bose? This is not weird. This is not terrible. What did you get? Some reasonable stuff. So we've got the QC25s as well as the SoundLink Micro. How much was this? Oh wow, $1,700. That's actually a pretty solid deal. Man, I don't know what to do about things that are actually functioning and are not total garbage town. This is a really new bit of territory for me. Wait, why are these made for iPhone? They've got a 3.5mm cable on it. How is it made for iPhone? What? All right, so they come in a pretty nice looking carrying case. Now these are going to be noise canceling, but unlike the higher end models, they're not going to be Bluetooth. So you are going to need a 3.5mm adapter. Wow, I like the way these feel though. So there's a lot of flexibility as far as you can rotate them. The headband feels pretty good. Man, I gotta say, I don't spend a lot of time with Bose stuff, but their noise cancellation is so impressive. I mean, it absolutely just sucks any kind of background out. I mean, I think this is an easy one. If you're able to pick these up for $100, I mean, that's a no-brainer. Those are really, really nice. Just make sure you have that noise cancellation on. Next up, we have the SoundLink Micro. Now, no, this is actually a very popular Bluetooth speaker. One of the main features here is that not only is it supposed to sound pretty decent, but that's kind of weird, but okay. We're also going to be getting, it's going to be not only waterproof, but also reasonably rugged.
I'm floating by your side.
Okay.
On a paper plane.
All right. I mean, for such a tiny speaker, I am really impressed with how loud that gets. And there's actually a fair bit of bass too. I think a lot of times when you get these small speakers, they've got a good amount of bass, but it's kind of overpowering everything. It's not really that clear of a sound. But I mean, for $70, this is a no-brainer. At $100, it's a little bit more questionable, but still, I mean, that's a lot of power in what's a waterproof, nice little chassis. I gotta say, Ken, this is actually not garbage town. Good job. What is this? What, Ken, oh my God. So, I don't know what an automaton sweets is. So, first of all, you hold it. Second of all, you move it, and then you make music with it, and then you have a happy face. Never fails. Ken gets me all excited with something cool, and then he brings me right down to earth with some stupid crap that I'm probably gonna hate. Oh, what? What is this? Why does it do that? I don't want it to do that. That's not okay. Okay, that's kind of fun. And that's the hard out.